Latest news from Travel.org. The headlines: US deploys 20,000 troops to enforce immigration crackdown. Spain to implement relaxed family and residency pathways. Wisconsin judge accused of aiding immigration evasion seeks legal funds. And now the news in details. The Trump administration is moving to expand its crackdown on illegal immigration, with the Department of the Homeland Security requesting 20,000 National Guard troops to support enforcement operations. A DHS official told the Hill that the request was made to the Pentagon to help fulfill the president's pledge to arrest and deport criminals undocumented immigrants. Effective from May 20, 2025, Spain will implement reforms to its immigration regulations aimed at liberalizing family-related immigration pathways, extending residency periods for job seekers, and easing the process for undocumented foreign nationals and to regularize their residency status. A Wisconsin judge facing charges for allegedly assisting a man in evading immigration agents is seeking public donations to fund her legal defense. The case has garnered national attention, highlighting the complex legal and ethical challenges faced by officials in the context of immigration enforcement. And that wraps up this week Travel.org news. For more details on these news and more migration stories, visit our website on www.travel.org. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.